Neil deGrasse Tyson was asked how a planet could be destroyed. Can a person blow up a planet as depicted in Star Wars? That was a question posed to Neil deGrasse Tyson in his podcast Star Talk Radio. And Tyson re-examined fan favorite questions about the previous season, questions ranging from what is gravity and various matters touched on in science fiction movies. And his response was that now you have a device that can pump energy into your planet and have that planet absorb the energy. Rather than have the energy come out the other side, it will completely destroy the planet to smithereens entirely, Tyson said. So that's how one would go about it. CERN is due to reopen the Large Hadron Collider in March of 2015 in order to recreate the Big Bang, despite warnings from top scientists such as Stephen Hawking and Neil deGrasse Tyson. Well, it has already reopened. We're already in May. And there have been various warnings from top scientists concerning the possibility of the energy from CERN destroying our planet and our universe. Dr. Stephen Hawking warned that the reactivation of CERN's Large Hadron Collider could pose grave dangers to our planet. The ultimate reality check, we are warned. He has come straight out and said the God particle found by CERN could destroy the universe, leaving time and space collapsed. As shared in the second video, is CERN the most dangerous thing in the cosmos that could lead to the ultimate destruction of Earth and the entire universe? Recent developments prove to us the scientific community is no longer able to explain reality without looking at the supernatural. We will soon learn that CERN is really the ultimate stargate and one of the gatekeeper's most closely guarded secrets. Will this be the way man attempts to break the ultimate God barrier and attempt to encounter demigods in an all-out rush towards the destruction of all creation? We understand they won't be releasing the secrets until they're prepared to release them. Does CERN headquarters symbol of Shiva dancing the cosmic dance of death and destruction signal the true purpose of CERN's existence? A look at Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction, symbology surrounding CERN's headquarters, gives us the beginning of what we need to know. The men who would play God in searching for the God particle are truly going to find more than they bargained for as they open the gates of hell. We are warned by Stephen Quayle. They will find interdimensional beings who have a taste for human flesh and humanity's destruction. Most scientists, in lacking an understanding of the supernatural entities that are going to confront them, are way beyond their ability to comprehend, let alone control the forces of Pandora's box that will be released. Well, Pandora's box has already been opened, and things have come out that scientists have not expected would come out, and they cannot be put back into that Pandora's box. Strange and unexplained things from the paranormal, spiritual world, demonic entities have appeared. Dark matter and spirits from that realm have entered our realm of existence. Pictures have been taken of these entities. I will leave links below for you so you can see those pictures and videos for yourselves. And our top scientists have warned that this should be stopped. This energy is too much for our planet to take, and it could be the total annihilation of our world as we know it, our planet as we know it, our solar system as we know it, and the whole universe. This is one thing that is totally against God. And these scientists are playing God. They are not God. They are the opposite of God. It is him who says he will take the position of God. That is the Antichrist. And we are in a terrible mess. Another very serious event that has taken place is the fact that in the beginning of this month, about 2 weeks ago, two young scientists that had scientific research connected to CERN, they had published papers having to do with the Large Hadron Collider, were found mysteriously drowned in the same pool. On Sunday, April 26, two doctoral students at the Louisiana State University were mysteriously found dead at the bottom of a local swimming pool. 28-year-old Ishita Maiti and 25-year-old Anton Joe were the school's physics and astronomy department, with Maiti studying theoretical astrophysics while Anton was a third-year graduate student studying theoretical gravity. Maiti was the author of one of the journal New Astronomy's most popular recent papers, Black Hole Spin Dependence of General Relativistic Multi-Transonic Accretion Close to the Event Horizon. Joe's most recent paper was called Kentowski-Sachs Spacetime in Loop Quantum Cosmology Bounds on Expansion and Shear Scalars and the Viability of Quantization Prescriptions. Over a year ago, Joe uploaded a paper to Academia Education called Search for 3 Jet Resonances in Particle Physics Collisions at S+7 TeV. And the paper was written for the European Organization for Nuclear Research, also known as CERN. Back in March 2015, Susan Dulkos wrote a story which the members of the scientific community talked about CERN and the possibility of its creating black holes and parallel universes, warnings not given by conspiracy theorists but by experts of the same fields of study as Ishita Maiti and Anton Joe, warning that we should all be concerned about, as we all live upon the same planet. Did Maiti and or Joe discover something that they were not supposed to know, which led to their mysterious deaths? Both of them were considered stunningly intelligent with brilliant minds. These 2 deaths were just the most recent deaths of people who were linked to CERN, following the deaths of another CERN team member during a recent ski trip that happened during a strange week of people drowning in pairs. So, I will leave a link below for you for this as well. Something very strange is going on, and this should be stopped, obviously. And I'll leave links below for you for all these. Neil deGrasse Tyson was asked how a planet could be from what is gravity and various matters touched on in science fiction movies. And his response was that now you have a device that can pump energy into your planet and have that planet absorb the energy. Rather than have the energy come out the other side, it will completely destroy the planet to smithereens entirely, Tyson said. So that's how one would go about it. Destroyed. Can a person blow up a planet, as depicted in Star Wars? That was a question posed to Neil deGrasse Tyson in his podcast Star Talk Radio. And Tyson re-examined fan favorite questions about the previous season, questions ranging